So this video clip explains solving systems of equations stories. The examples we will use are alloys and boats. Copper that was 63% pure was melted together with copper that was 90% pure to make 18 kilograms of an alloy that was 75% pure. How many kilograms of each kind were used? So we know that the total weight is 18 kilograms. So we have two kinds of copper. One is pure and one is impure, or less pure, I guess you could say. So let's say our pure plus our impure equals 18 pounds. So the pure, well, let's subtract I from each side. The pure equals 18 minus the impure. And we know that the impure at 63%, the number of pounds of the impure times 0.63. I guess we could write that a little better. We could write that as 0.63I plus 0.9 pure, the 90% times the pounds of the pure copper, well, equals 75% pure 18 kilograms. So if I multiply, well, we'll go ahead and put that in there. It's 18 times 0.75. Okay, so that comes out to 13.5 kilograms of pure copper. Let's go ahead and replace the weight of the pure copper with 18 minus I. So everything else will stay the same. Guess I don't need the 0 there. The pure will be 18 minus I. So we'll have 0.63 I plus 16.2 minus 0.9I. So we'll combine the like terms that we have. We have 63.63 minus 0.9 would give us negative 0.27I. Let's go ahead and subtract 16.2 from each side. Giving us negative 2.7. So dividing by 2.7 divided by 0.27, well, it's negative. Negative divided by negative is positive, so the number of pounds of impure copper is 10. They add up to 18, so the number of pounds of pure copper would have to be 8. Well, let's say we're traveling down the San Juan River for 4 hours. We go 60 miles in a boat, so it's faster than the current. Or we can go upstream against the current, but in 4 hours we can only go 36 miles. So let's solve for the rate in still water of the current, well, the rate of the boat in still water and the rate of the current. So we would say that the time times the rate, and well, that would be the rate of the river plus the boat, and we'd say 4 times the river minus, oh well, the boat minus the river. Maybe I better write those in the other order, just to make it easier. The boat, the speed of the boat plus the river, and the speed of the boat minus the river. So whatever speed the boat's going against the current is going to subtract, and with the current it's going to add. Let's go ahead and multiply those. 4b plus 4r equals 60. 4b minus 4r equals 36. And we could get one of those variables all by itself, but that particular combination works well. You just add those two equations, or subtract, but let's add. 4b plus 4b is 8b. 4r plus a negative 4r is 0, so I'm not going to write that. Equals 60 plus 36 is 96. Well, if 8 times something is 96, that something is 12. 96 divided by 8 is 12. Well, that's the speed of the boat. So, we say, plug into this equation, 4 times 12 plus r equals 60. So 48 plus 4r equals 60. Subtract 48. So 4r equals 12. Oops. Divide each side by 4. R equals 3. So that would be the river speed would be 3. The boat speed is 12. Well, let's see if that works. The boat speed plus the river speed is 15. So 4 hours we could go 60 miles. 12 minus 3 going against the current would be 9. 4 times 9 is 36. That makes sense.